Hi guys, welcome to our final review of this alarm clock. I got a haircut. If you know what I got a haircut. Because I will dye my hair soon. Make sure y'all keep on your notifications. Make sure you turn on your post notifications and keep up the video you never miss. Okay. I need to start doing vlogs every day. My phone is not uploading a YouTube video. Just so you know. It's just slowing down because Verizon is data usage over this, but. This is my mom's phone I'm using, but she's okay with that. But don't y'all be confused about that, okay? My phone's okay, but because I'm watching y'all's YouTube channel, it's on my phone. Because this is an old alarm clock. I went to the Emptic store today. I got this nice CD case shelf. I'm gonna do a review right now. There's all my CDs. So look at that. You can't see it. It's dimmer a little bit, so if you know what I've been doing, I've been taking a nap all day on my bed, and this is my TV. Check this out, y'all. Check my LEDs. It's back in the TV. See it flashed? You can turn it on whatever you want. It won't turn on. This remote's deadly. Here he is, y'all. Whoa. I don't know it's copyrighted. I need to turn it off, by the way. See, guys? Here's all my LEDs on my TV. I'm just telling you, it works very well. I'm doing my room review right now. This is Sony alarms called Dream Alarm Clock. It takes 70 watts. No worry. See? It's playing Christmas music. I'm on the station here. See, guys? I have this MP3 player. It still works, see? Still works. See, it still works. See, guys? It just works well. See, guys? It just works well. I got that from the thrift store last month. And I got this alarm clock today at the Emptic shop. Wait, guys. Alright, guys. I'm trying to keep this video short. And I might do it on next episodes, okay? It's like a series, okay? Don't be real serious about that. Y'all don't be mad at me, okay? I will block y'all for that, okay? Because I'm a respectful man, okay? Alright, y'all. I hope you have a fantastic day. And I will see you next time. Tomorrow or 2 days, okay? Alright, guys. I'll be on the upload schedule for 2 days or 1 day. Depends on doing busy stuff. Alright? Alright, everyone. I love you. Stay safe, everyone. Wear a mask and keep your distance. Goodbye, everyone. Remember, subscribe to my channel. And if you're new, make sure to subscribe. You're never missing any video from me. And turn on those turn on the post notifications just in case y'all don't miss a video. Alright? Alright, y'all. Be sure to subscribe, or if you don't want to, that's okay. But remember, everyone, stay safe.